Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take apart Ram 2500 mirrors. First, ensure you have the right tools for the job, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. It is also important to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid misplacing any small components. For safety, always disconnect your vehicle's battery before beginning any electrical work on the mirrors. To begin, gently tilt the mirror glass to one side, creating a gap. Insert your plastic trim tool into this gap and carefully pry the glass away from the motor assembly. Once the glass is loose, you will see two electrical connectors on the back. Disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Remember to observe how these wires are routed to simplify reassembly. With the mirror glass removed, you can now access the internal components. Locate and remove the 3 Phillips head screws that hold the main mirror housing together. Once these screws are out, gently separate the painted cap from the rest of the mirror body. Be mindful of any clips or tabs. Finally, unclip any remaining internal wiring harnesses to completely detach the various mirror components. Reassembly is simply the reverse of the steps we just covered. Make sure all screws are tightened and all clips are securely fastened to prevent any rattling. Before fully reinstalling the mirror onto your truck, it is a good idea to test all its functions, such as power adjustment and heating, to ensure everything works correctly. And for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.